Hold up, don't hit me now. Hold up. Oh.
Yeah. Set him up. Making you holler.
A cast off. Watch this.
If I cast.
Look at my line, brother. Over my line, show.
Buckles off the cast off.
Yo, it's a recorder that yeah, man.
It's a tape.
That tape? Gas I never rape. Nice fish.
Yeah.
Bring it over, yeah, bring it over the rock. Yeah, people. So she get another one. A grunt.
Okay, wait.
Off the string. Just standard string and hook, old fashioned way. And string, hook and shrimp. And she get a fish. One more grunt.
Something. Clay. Come now, come take him off now. It's pretty and blue.
Yeah. And when you go in a bucket, you go back in the water.
Oh. You were saying?
I stood corrected for a minute.
The leverage. The leverage, yeah. The leverage. The leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright.
Alright, Livy's Nation. Today we're there, I get to be at the Zimmy. Yeah. Yeah.
Shrimp, what else?
Sinkers.
Dead shrimp?
Yeah, you cannot do that.
Fine sinker them now. Fine sinker.
2 ounce. Like 40. For 3/4 ounce. And then look. Some small than these. Excuse me, I have no other types of hooks.
What's up?
I have no other types of hooks. Alright. Alright. One there.
Regular basic fish and
Oh, you get already?
4 3/4 ounce, 4 2 ounce.
What are these?
Where are the swivels?
The man look big.
Ah, that was huge.
Which one down here? Which size you want? They might good.
The leverage. Yeah. Welcome back to Leverage Boss TV. You don't know, say. I want Eclips, aka Leverage Boss, and today, welcome back to another adventure. Right, look how I'm looking at the camera. People, look how I'm nearly walking now. See that big spider here? Yeah, so today, you know the vibe. I'm still a walking there like me a madman, you know. Yo, up on the spider here. Yo. Up on the spider here. Ain't crazy, so. Today, you know the vibe, fishing at the favorite spot. We are going on different section today, but yeah, you know the vibe. I'm meet up with Clay and Dam, and probably even I guess what we're there, man. You see me? But we are checking and see where I go. Now who that over there, so yeah, man. Here. So we are walk go down at the park right here, so. And we're gonna show you what we have and everything. And just check in and see where we're going. And we'll show you what's up. Now we're up on the road right now. So we're out here. Quick and fast, another vlog. But yo, I don't know it's going to kind of rain. The weather kind of stay away. Yeah, kind of Joe, so we're going to see how would that go in the rain. Fishing in the rain? Okay. Yeah. So I'll show you where I'm going. When play them sitting there, I'll show you where I'm going here. That's a leverage. Yeah, leverage nation. So now we're there on the same park but different section. No parking allowed. Road shoulders right next to the road right now. See it here? They're right here, so. Oh, this we have up here, so. No say so, man. Who is that? No say so, man. Oh, this line set already. That's where I go on. Every station, I say I go on see line in the water. So you go on already, out. What go on?
Just show the line them and I get too quick, man, but I see we can go on.
So you have to say to Leverage Nation, say good morning, good evening, good night.
Good afternoon, Leverage Nation. Yeah. That me have to say to Leverage Nation.
What you have to say? Them not hear you.
We say good afternoon. You know that yellow people, them see me? Yeah. Yo, are you throw something there? What yeah.
God's a nation.
Wow, I forgot the chair on the car.
God's is free now, so you have to can give it something there now.
Alright, I'm going back. Oh, but I like my chair. I want to take your chair.
Yeah, so we're out here, so that's what we have today. Today. They have
You can leave your stuff.
the shrimp them. What kind of what is? What is right here, so? Squid. Yeah, we have the squid and the shrimp. Yeah. So that, man. So done toss the line them already. And we'll see where I go on. So check in, guys, and we'll see where we're going today. Kinda rainy with them tricky, but still gonna see. Yeah, man.
What?
Yeah.
Are you buying? No, you just tell me so I can't use so much I beat and I buy it. How great them picking here? Yeah, people. Shrimp, you see me? Circle hook. 20 pound braided line. I like 30 pound braided line. Clay, a body of water. Pen, spin fish at 7 fishing reel. Make us see what we can get. First cast of the day. So see that we're out and now we wait, you see me? See what we can get. Stay tuned. Leave a like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, you see me? Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Oh, them never have the first cast and we just showing a while ago, so round 2. See what we can get. We have to check hook a certain way so you don't come off, you see me? But nevertheless, see what we can get.
Yo, leverage. I'm just straight up. See? I'm gonna keep it up, man.
Might get burnt, man.
I'm keeping going, man. So then going easy bend, you know. The bite flexible. Easy bend.
So, and I fish that, man?
Keep going, man. So it's flexible, so easy bend. Sometimes none of the panic.
Try it still, guy. I get bites, you know. Every nation I be a bite so far, you know. You see it?
What?
No, not the panic. Not the fish. Yo, my bait gone. You're really back in bait, come on.
You see how this up on the water look clear, like smooth, even though we have a farm. If you're at sea and you see that, or in a deeper waters and you see that, try to go in it.
Right.
So take you away, brother. The current and the water mixing to go take you away. Even if you can't swim, you can't go follow the current and they go just take you away until you drown. Especially if you're rough. So now be careful. See it here?
No, but I don't know what team footing could walk right to this.
Hear me talk, clear through a bit, and hear me explain something. Nothing about it. Yeah, people, don't subscribe to that dirty boy. Banana manners. Leave a subscription for him. You look a dirty boy, banana manners.
Yo, Hail Mary. Do us a job.
Yeah.
I fling that one there like a ball.
Dash me.
Them boy they line up here, man. I'm to them.
Do I see a fishing challenge? I feel a little tension going on right now. What's going on, guys?
Well, as man catch a fish.
Whoa. YouTube.
Yeah. So YouTube no.
Yeah, man.
Lala.
Yeah. That leverage nation, so.
Dog.
We're not gonna say when them are really in something. We'll be back.
Look on my line.
Hold on. Alright, we'll stay.
It's tight. I mean, I give him drag, but him keep on a pull it.
Alright, I guess we'll be back then. Officially.
Yeah, people, stay tuned.
Yo, I'm gonna ride that for you.
Yeah, but
Oh, watch it. I hear me this poor I go watch it. Yeah, I hear me tackle. Yo, leverage nation.
13 feet,
13 feet?
yeah.
13 for TV.
Yo, catch him from, oh wait, yeah. See me can beat him with my small rod.
Leverage. Let's see.
Hold up, don't hit me now. Hold up. Oh.
Yeah. Set him up. Make you holler.
I cast off. Watch this.
If I cast
Look at me line, brother. Over me line.
Buckles off the cast off. That's up.
So you cast off, why you line over? Look up the line.
No, brother.
Yeah, the buckles off the cast off. Let's go at the front.
So go over there.
Yeah, leverage nation. Yeah, leverage nation, we're out here. Oh no, we don't really catch nothing. Just go and wait and see what go on. Yeah man, that's a leverage man, you see it? We are just go and test it out still. Kinda just reach, so we just go and build, take in the vibes. Yeah man. Let's see if they can catch nothing today. Who's the first one to catch something? Let's see. Yo, leverage nation, you know, say.
Never bag a coke for the line. No, actually have a fish. Yo, it's a recorder that you never see.
It's a tape.
That tape? Gas never rape. Nice fish. Papa.
Your
Oh,
favorite friend.
My best friend, the
I
puffer
told
fish.
you, what we telling leverage nation? The puff is his best friend. The puffer is his best friend. A puffer god. Leverage nation. Where I start calling him? Puffer god. right now. Puffer God. Comment section, Puffer God.
Yeah, man, comment that. Oh, for God, we come and go, man.
Yo.
You know what I'm
Puffer. Yeah, man, but Leverage Nation, I know, so like I was saying before, right now it's a rain right now and them fish out in a thing, you see me? So right now we under the bush, under the tree, under the bush, so we under the tree, it's a rain, so we under the, that's a Leverage, you can't follow we here, man, mad people, yeah. That's a Leverage. Yo, Leverage Nation. I feel like I get a little trouble since we're under the tree, isn't it? It's the rain a fall, right? Watch it now. It's the rain a fall, right? You see where girl would make man do? When I talk to one little friend and man sit down in the rain. Sit down in the rain and fish without no pull over. Or just fish the dog or fish. But we know Leverage Nation. Yeah, man. But back to regular program. Oh. Introduce her later to Leverage Nation TV. Yeah. Leverageboss TV. Yeah. Yeah, Leverage Nation, so left clear up there so and me I walk back down here so where I go. I think the dam already down there, so I'm gonna meet up with him and see where I go and duck that side, because nothing really I go on than the one puffer with clear catch, so I check out the other side to the park, the regular spot, and see if we have any luck over there. So yeah, that's how we are going right now. And then we are go through the bushes. Yeah. Look. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I must half see them wash up and forward from how so much coconut there is on a coconut tree in there. So. Eh? That weird. Over in the bushes over there. Be a coconut. I must water rise and bring them up there from other places and wash them up here, so when the water will come, probably I'll come up here. So yeah. Place that, so I'll take off the pullover. And yeah man, so we walk down the stretch. I saw it with far man. Yeah man. So we are so about to reach to the good. I think I don't way down at the little sunshine. I don't know if you can see it right there, so it's a good distance. So check in, we'll be back when they reach down there, you see me? Sure, see where the man can go on with. Yes, so guys, reach run at the house spot, but I not see him. Boy, watch out how I saw, so I look how I come hook up on the sure. Yeah. I know if I just hook up my thing and prevent all of this. Alright. Where? Oh. Remember the usual spot, so we're going to see where. Damn, where you there? Over here. You just reach. I want to see you on the stretch.
You just reached like 2 meters. So when I call him, I did there,
oh, okay.
Good sense, nah, just let me down and I pick up.
Yeah. Water come back up. Leverage Nation, you see? The water come back up from where to remember if you don't watch the other video. I think that video there with yeah, last video with me and Clay. No, yeah. The time before that, yeah. The water level low the way down there, see? It come back up right up by a stone then. So, yeah.
see one big fish in there all night. Some buyer. I work on one of them type of fish there.
Oh dear. Yeah man. Hopefully we catch something. We get any bites?
Yeah, we get bite, but then pick off it.
Yo, take off that hook there and put real something on it, man.
Remember that it's something not good there. You can't get here. And then put that.
Right I go. The leverage nation now I go on.
No fish yet, only the puffer fish.
That's the puffer.
Oh, you see some grunts just on some mangrove snapper. But when I get nothing yet. First cast, I get a bite, but it's my second cast, so that's good.
Okay. That's easy.
Yo, me see when you let me in and get them, you know?
Maybe you will see.
What you say?
Get in a road, man.
Leverage, man. How that? Come now before me come off.
See what he eating.
Come now before me come off.
Dominic, come ahead now.
Dominic.
Watch the man them late.
Are you look for you?
With him bossy boy. Eh?
Yeah, man.
YouTube know them this too.
Hey, come. How are this? Come
Run.
now. Run. See in the leverage nation. Catch something. Clear. Come now. Come take him off now. Where you say? Where you feel? Oh, where him do?
People them want to see you take off a fish for a change. That the
No,
people them want
always,
to do.
no, sir. Me always do that, man.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah, leverage nation. So how happen? Oh, that one just forward on the thing I don't know.
Me did know, I just never ready to pull him up yet because I see others that go at it too. A couple of them just a circle around which part me there. But it's a nice grunt dog.
Hold him up there. Hold him up, hold him up. Hold on there. Hold on there. Yeah. There you say. First. Where's the first catch since
First
recently?
First, yeah, I tell you.
Nice one, you know?
Came a
No,
grunt.
man, you have to go hold him up bigger, man.
Can't really. But, yeah.
Come on, give me a proper layout.
Yeah, so I'm taking him off my line.
Yeah. Nah, catch all that part like that. But yeah, man.
Really getting proper rhythm.
Yes, I know.
Yeah, the people. Nice as grunt. You see me? So, pretty blue streaks. Nice grunt.
It's pretty and blue.
Yeah. And when you go in a bucket, you know, go back in the water. Bucket.
Oh! You were saying?
I stood corrected for a minute.
That's a leverage.
My
Man.
boy gone.
Yeah, man, so leverage nation a successful day. We catch one a nice size we can go home. That's all we need, at least one, so we consider it successful. So you can say it's going good. You know a leverage nation. Like and share for that one day. You know, say the great Clay caught it. Yeah.
As usual. Remember, I said at the start of the video, you know, who last catch a fisher. Alright.
Touch man.
See him there. See him there. Put it on him. See him there, him a touch man. Don't catch, not even a bite on him out here. Aye.
Saddam, how you say about the video? How you say about the fishing so far? Oh, I go on there, so. I see where I go on from that side. Oh, that bring you? Oh, it's the bitsy spider that man.
Yeah.
So damn catch one, but unofficial. Where you say?
I never use him as bait.
Use him as bait?
Yeah.
Ah.
I'm not sure about it.
Hold on, that one look like he can catch something. I come around and reel him up that one. Let me see where I go on. Reel him up. Where you catch? Put him over here, son. Let's see where I go on. He's small, man.
Looks up. Need to be 8 inch.
8, let me see.
Look about 7.
Yeah, he looks small. Take him out. You want me? No, me child. This small, man. Yeah, that's small. Take him off. So, yeah, leverage nation, you see, it's going on fine. Dam catch one, Clay catch one, but the one the too small, but Clay one official. Yeah man, it's a good time. Look like at them time I fish them want swim, you know, and eat. Yeah. Blue in the leverage man, we're out here. So hot. Check out where I go on. Clay, where you say it I go?
Well, we'll get one in us, so. At least we never come out empty handed. It's going good here now. Night I come down and fish and pick up, so we'll see how I go from here on out, isn't it? Then I get my cast, see how we can do.
Yeah. Yeah man, looking good.
Alright people, so put a hook on a line and we're going to give Angel to drop right here and see if she can get something. So stay tuned, just come on hook and line and fish the one here.
What am I gonna do with it? Nothing.
You don't think you're gonna catch anything?
Oh, yeah. I think I'm gonna catch something. What am I gonna actually do with what I catch? I'm gonna put it back.
Alright.
I wanna take a picture. Oh yeah, I caught something. Ah.
Valid. Yeah. So stay tuned guys, we'll see how it goes. Yeah people, so she'll go throw it out now, see if she can grab something right there, so see, just throw it on the drop and we'll wait and see if she gets something. First cast, see how it goes.
Ah.
Hold on, wait for them to swallow.
Oh, did it take it?
It's on the rock.
Oh, I didn't see it.
Drop it over here. Give it more line. Let more line out. Let it go down.
Oh, I can't see. I can see better right here.
You'll feel it. You just feel. Don't see, feel.
Ow.
Mm. Dominic saying on people. So you look like you have a small lane.
No, he's alive. I can see him moving. He must have did a great job.
Small, but yeah, fish there, people. You see me? You put a nice snapper here, so. Fish there, man.
Come on, get up.
Stay tuned, Leverage Nation. Remember, leave a like, share, subscribe, and
I
comment.
don't want to.
You know the leverage. Yeah, Leverage Nation. I'm gonna fish out right there, so.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, people see it there, you know the leverage. Small grunt. I tell you, so we're there and I do it, man. Whole crew there. You see me? Whole crew there. Nice little grunt on. So, see what else can go on. Yeah, people, so she just catch one snap up, but it drop off. So, still there, see if we can get no more, you see me? Bring it over, yeah, bring it over the rock. Yeah, people, so she get another one, a grunt.
Okay, wait.
Off the string, just standard string and hook, old fashioned way. And string, hook and shrimp, and she get a fish. One more grunt.
Oh god.
So as I telling my fish a bite, man. See there?
Is he gonna let go get it? How am I gonna take it off? No, I don't wanna do it. Okay, wait, I can do it.
Yeah, people, stay tuned, you see me? Look here, people. So much it costs. Look, people. A puffer fish again.
Oh gosh.
One more on the hook and line. Hook, line, and shrimp. And another puffer fish. So, yeah, people, you know, I think that pretty much sums up our evening. Beautiful scenery. And some nice fishing, isn't it? So, remember to leave a like, share, subscribe, comment, leave a like, isn't it? Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. So with that. Cool and me now. Cool, like thousands, bro.
Come on.
Well, Leverage Nation was a good day. You know, catch a couple well on the hook. We are carry home one. Or I carry home some. But yeah, man, you know Leverage, man. Always remember to share out the video. Until the next adventure. Out there. I wrap up, you know, you see me? Yeah, man. So, you know, damn. Anything you have to say before closing?
You know, say, get some pick, but never really a bite. I don't know. Yeah, I get some pick, but we never really catch nothing. You see me? Catch one and two, but I know. I want to get to carry one. One them way to catch, never can bring one. Either they undersize or we don't want them myself. But that is it, you see me?
Was it a good experience or what?
Yeah, good experience. But you know, next time I go better.
Alright, always look for better, you see me? Oh, say. Clay, they want to say. Clay. I see where Clay. Oh, our special guest, Angel. Clay and Angel, what them have to say? Clay.
Yo.
What you say? We are wrap it up, you know?
Yeah, man,
No, the vlog we are wrap up. So, what you say? Talk up and I can hear.
good day. I would say a good day. I had fun.
What you say? Oh, fun.
Yeah, we get a couple fish. Not everyone of them keeper, but nevertheless we catch fish, you see me? So remember to leave a like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. You see me? You know the leverage.
Yeah.
So see you there.
Yeah, man. Oh, our friend, Angel. Anyway, leverage. Alright. So that is it. Leverage Nation. Hope you enjoy the adventure. Catch a couple. You don't know, so special guest Angel for what she used the traditional way and catch some fish that tough. And yeah, when you see some nice little things, but enjoy yourself. Nice little day, you know.